collated together all the examples that folks very kindly sent me, and Amy and I have tried to sort of put a narrative around that to give you a sense of the history of participatory research within the group. So the key point, and the first point to make, is that we actually had some sort of early innovators. So I was looking, for example, at some of the work that Malcolm Mosley and Steve Owen were doing on parish and village appraisals, looking at Malcolm's book on rural development in 2003, and he's got a chapter in there which is called Embracing the People, making an argument that we need to be doing community development, working with communities rather than doing this kind of extractive research. So we've had this bunch of great early innovators, and what's really interesting in the examples that we were sent is a couple of things. One is the work that we do around what we might call co-design, and I'll show you a slide to give you some examples in a moment. And related to that, the work that we do around participatory evaluation. So both of these two elements are kind of fairly often interconnected in the work that we do. Sometimes they're around program evaluations, sometimes it's about evaluation of particular policy mechanisms. So you've seen some of the examples that Alice was showing, for example, in relation to that. The final thing, which is our kind of new phase of participatory research, is what we're calling co-experimentation. So we'll explain some of that in a moment.